Meeting at 1 o'clock. From me we have this vacuum cleaner from HONITURE or HONITURE. This is the good piece, comes in a nice white. A compact charging station is included. Don't forget the remote control that allows you to manage everything. We can display everything immediately here. If we now instruct the entire system to initiate charging, it will begin charging right away and automatically locate the nearest charging station by itself. You can see that now. It may occasionally appear somewhat random, but you can indeed accomplish it without facing any issues. He's currently taking a closer look now. It's a bit challenging for him at this moment because we're at a high elevation and he isn't sure exactly where his station is located. This means that it will now actively search the designated area, carefully reposition itself as needed, and then proceed to move toward the appropriate location where it is required to be. We see that here now. The atmosphere is peaceful, which is quite pleasant. And let's take a look at the device from below. While this one is booked, we can review the other. We offer various functions, including a wiping function. We observe that the entire device has been fully retracted, withdrawn, and is currently positioned in the charging station, where it is actively recharging itself, just as he informed us. Once we finish cleaning the area thoroughly, we can carefully remove the dirt container and then empty it completely. We can also utilize the wiping module here. This is not a problem at all. To fully utilize the entire device in this manner, we can also make use of these specific buttons located here. This is the main start button or stop button, and the entire system should return back to the station safely and efficiently. It is now flashing blue, signaling that it is charging. We'll take a closer look from below, because there's an incredible amount going on down there too. Here we have two interchangeable nozzles or brushes that can be easily removed for different cleaning tasks. That's not a problem at all at this point. Here are the two sensors responsible for charging, a robust brush located in the center that effectively gathers dust pushed in its direction by the other brushes, and two sturdy wheels equipped with joints and springs for enhanced maneuverability and stability. Nothing particularly groundbreaking or crazy new in that sense, but it works well so far. The entire system is not a laser vacuum specifically designed for this purpose, but it still functions quite effectively and delivers satisfactory results. We can take another look at the whole thing here. This is the dirt bin. We can simply take it out. We have the filter located here, and we can then easily open it up and empty its contents. Now we are back in one. Our module, as I said, is used here. We already have it. And yes, otherwise we can now take a look at what the whole thing sounds like in terms of volume when the whole thing is cleaning. And then I would confidently say that should be it, truly. So, this is the volume at which the device operates. We can also see the laser right here in front. Carpet is now visible here. No problem at all. Simply drive over it and carefully work your way through it. Yes, and aside from that, that's approximately the volume you can anticipate, correct? We still have the old cardboard box that it originally came in when we purchased it. But that's not a big deal here. Yes, and that's exactly what it sounds like while driving along. And perhaps this information will assist one or two individuals in making their decision regarding whether to purchase this particular device or not.